How to get Ethereum coin free on Binance and Bybit. Earning free Ethereum on prominent cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Bybit can be an enticing opportunity for both new and seasoned traders. These platforms offer several avenues to acquire Ethereum without making a direct purchase. Binance, for instance, features educational programs like Binance Academy, where users can earn crypto by learning about blockchain technology and completing quizzes. Additionally, Binance's Referral Program rewards users with commissions in Ethereum when they invite new users to the platform. Similarly, Bybit offers promotional campaigns, trading competitions, and its own referral program, all of which can yield Ethereum as a reward. Bybit also occasionally runs deposit bonuses and giveaways that can include Ethereum. Participating in staking programs on both platforms, where users can earn interest on their crypto holdings, is another method to passively earn Ethereum. Engaging in these activities not only provides opportunities to gain free Ethereum, but also enhances one's understanding and involvement in the broader crypto ecosystem. Binance. Through participation in the different programs and activities that are made available by the platform, users of Binance have numerous opportunities to earn free Ethereum. These options are open to them. They are able to choose from these several possibilities. The Learn and Earn program is one of the ways that is applied the most frequently among the various tactics. By taking part in this program, individuals have the opportunity to earn small amounts of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies by viewing educational videos and completing quizzes that are related with the program. This program is offered to individuals who are interested in participating. In order to properly engage in the Learn and Earn program, it is required to initially log into your Binance account, then visit the promotions page or the Binance Academy, and finally search for active Learn and Earn campaigns. These are the individual actions that need to be carried out in order to attain success. One further tactic that might be utilized is to make advantage of the staking and savings items that Binance has to offer. Additionally, there is another technique that could be implemented. You will have the opportunity to generate income from your cryptocurrency holdings through the use of these products, which allow you to stake your cryptocurrency holdings or deposit them in Binance Earn. You have the ability to generate income with the Bitcoin assets you possess. In the Binance Earn section of the website, you will be able to find the numerous opportunities for earning Ethereum, ETH, which are occasionally referenced in this statement. Users have access to this portion of the website. In addition, Binance gives its customers the chance to participate in a referral program that enables them to earn a reward in the form of Ethereum for referring new users who trade on the platform. This program is available to Binance customers if they choose to participate. Within the parameters of the referral program, they are given the chance to take advantage of this opportunity. After logging in, clicking on the referral page, and then sharing your personalized referral link with other people, all that is required of you to start earning a percentage of the trading fees that are made by your referrals is to begin earning a portion of the trading fees. This is the very last thing that is expected of you. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance also organizes a significant number of raffles, trading competitions, and other promotional activities, all of which provide participants the chance to win Ethereum. Binance is the person who is sponsoring these events. For the goal of ensuring that you are kept up to speed with these opportunities, it is strongly recommended that you keep a close check on the announcements page as well as the social media outlets that Binance maintains. This will assist you in staying informed about these opportunities. Bybit provides its users with access to a wide range of different channels via which they can obtain free Ethereum with their accounts. The Bybit Rewards Hub is the first of these various channels, which are all connected to one another. The completion of tasks inside this region, such as trading a particular volume or making a monetary deposit, provides users with the possibility to get rewards, which may include Ethereum. These prizes can be obtained by completing the activities. In order to receive these rewards, it is necessary to ensure that certain activities are properly completed. To be able to take part, you will first be asked to sign into your Bybit account, and then you will be required to click on the Rewards Hub after that. Only then will you be allowed to participate. To add insult to injury, Bybit hosts trading competitions in which the most successful traders are offered the opportunity to win EB. These gatherings are held on the internet. Additionally, in order to take part in the competition, you are required to first register for it, then take part in trading activities throughout the course of the competition, and finally, you are required to keep an eye on Bybit's announcements for any new information that pertains to the competition. Those persons who finish with the greatest possible scores are eligible to obtain bonuses in the form of extra Ethereum. Another method that may be utilized in order to acquire Ethereum is the Bybit Referral Program. This is yet another method that can be utilized. Through the broadcast of your referral link to individuals who have the potential to become new members, you will have the option to earn a commission from the trading fees of those individuals who successfully become members. This commission will be based on the overall trading fees of those individuals. However, there are instances in which this commission might be paid out in the form of ETH or another cryptocurrency. After successfully logging into your Bybit account, you will need to navigate to the Referral Program section in order to progress with the procedure. This will be necessary only after you have successfully logged in. It will be possible for you to proceed with the process as a result of this. Bybit may also offer educational programs that are analogous to the Learn and Earn program that is offered by Binance or another cryptocurrency exchange. This possibility exists since Bybit has the potential to offer such programs. By utilizing these technologies, users would have the chance to earn Ethereum while engaging in activities such as watching instructional content, taking quizzes, and other activities of a similar nature. If you want to make the most of these opportunities and make sure that you utilize them to their utmost potential, it is very necessary for you to stay up to date with the instructional efforts that Bybit is making. Tips for maximizing free Ethereum earnings. If you want to make the most of the free Ethereum that you receive on both Binance and Bybit, you should make it a practice to visit the announcements and promotions areas of both platforms on a regular basis. This will allow you to maximize the benefits that you gain from the free Ethereum. By doing so, you will be able to realize the full potential of the benefits that you obtain from the free Ethereum. Sign up for official Telegram groups, Twitter accounts, and other social media platforms in order to become a member of the community and express your participation in the activities that are taking place. As a result of this, you will be able to keep yourself informed about new opportunities as they become available. It is of the highest significance that you complete all of the assignments that are provided to you. This includes enrolling in the Learn and Earn classes, participating in the staking, and participating in the referral programs. It is really necessary that these responsibilities be finished. Participating in a trade competition can provide one with considerable experience in addition to the prospect of monetary gain. This is true even in the event that one does not emerge triumphant from the outcome of the competition. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.